How to fix Steam content file lock error on Windows. 1. Reboot your computer. 2. Run Steam client as administrator. 3. Review your antivirus and/or firewall settings and ensure that your SCCURI app did not block Steam from running. 4. Clear Steam's download cache. Path, settings downloads. And review this %localapp.a% folder as well. 5. Run netshare winsock reset command, netshare winsock reset, as admin. 6. Verify integrity of game files. 7. Check your disk for errors via chkdskc/f command, admin mode. 8. Relocate game files to an alternative disk. Path, settings download Steam library folders, then create a new tab. 9. Delete game files via Steam client. Path, library properties local files the browse button.